Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a room tour of my hotel that I've been staying at while on my trip in London, and that is the Hub by Premier Inn at King's Cross train station. So I'm going to flip this round and show you all where I'm staying. When you come in the room, you've got this carpet, and directly to the right we have these two coat hooks on the wall. You've then got a plug socket and a hairdryer, and this full-length mirror sneakily hides the wardrobe. So we've got 5 coat hangers, there's a shelf up above, and then somewhere down below where I've got my Donald Duck backpack. To the left you have the bathroom. Now one thing I will say is, if you are staying here, you either need to probably be alone with a very close friend or a partner, especially for staying in such close quarters, because it is a very small room. It's compact, but it definitely does the job, especially with the bathroom being so open. So you've got the toilet, my Beauty and the Beast wash bag, you've got your towels, a lovely sink. The bin is in this door right here, spare toilet roll as well, and then you've got this amazing shower. So you've got the massive overhead shower head up there, and then you've just got your normal standard one here. That one was amazing this morning, and the door slides along. Okay, so the bed itself is a double bed. The quilt comes, it all came all wrapped up, and it's a 13.5 tog quilt. You have this lovely artwork on the wall of all the areas of London. So we are actually up here in King's Cross. So that's really cool. On the TV I have been watching some Sam for God vlogs, Christmas ones. And here we have plug sockets. So you've got international ones, which is the one on the left, and then obviously you've got your British ones here, and you also have a USB charger as well. Got the room key, which you buzz in with, and then obviously I am in room 2034. I also got a free bottle of water, which said, "Take me, I'm yours" around it. I've already drunk it. You again have a plug socket on the wall by the bed, so I could charge my phone and use it while I was in bed, which was great. And then the final little part is to show how high-tech the room is. So we'll just get it, there we go. So there's different light settings. So obviously this one turns it off. Low, medium, and then obviously on full right now. You've also got some aircon, which is just above the door. And I've got my on at the moment, but I turn it off at night because it goes a little bit cold. You can press do not make up room if you don't want them to touch the room, and then you've got do not disturb, so they obviously won't disturb you either. And so maybe people might be quiet when they're walking by. I've barely heard any noise at all in this hotel. So the last few things I need to show you in the room are this green leather-esque chair. Here we have a makeshift desk which actually pulls out. You pull it out with this lip along here. I'll apologise for the mess. And this pushes, should I say, all the way in, over to that groove there. Down here, you have your storage for the room, along with the wardrobe that I showed previously. So you have this full-out drawer, or pull-out should I say, that goes all the way back. And you have Highland Spring still water and my Diet Iron Brew, which I bought at Tesco's this morning. And to the left, you have your luggage storage where you can pop it underneath. And it goes quite far back. You can also pull this out for ease of access. So you've got my suitcase, my shoes, and then this came wrapped around the quilt with the little tag that said it was 13.5 tog. So that is everything to show you in the room. So you probably can't actually see it because it's just like a reflection, but basically across the road and over a wall is the King's Cross train tracks. So I'm very, very close. So that is it for this little quick room tour of the Hub by Premier Inn at King's Cross. I really hope that you enjoyed it, guys, and if you are thinking of coming to stay here, then I would highly, highly recommend it. Because if you're coming to London and you're going to be out all day and you're only using it as a place to sleep, it's perfect. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Comment down below if you've stayed at them before, and if you haven't, would you now you've seen the room? And as always, if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button to see more of this face. I've been Disney Matt, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you real soon. Bye for now.